how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and try-on of my jewelry subscription, Rocksbox. So if you guys are unfamiliar with Rocksbox, it is a jewelry rental subscription ultimately. So you pay $21 a month, and as many times as you want, you get 3 pieces of jewelry sent to you, and you can either keep those pieces or buy them at a discount. We will get into that more in just a moment. If you're interested in trying Rocksbox for free, I do have a referral code that I will leave down below. It's actually a referral link, so you get to try Rocksbox out for 30 days free, no commitment. You just decide by the end of that 30 days if you want to cancel or continue. So I wish more boxes did that. I think that is amazing. So again, that will be down below. But I just want to take a moment to say hi. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love if you subscribed and joined us. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, and as a big thank you, I am hosting a giveaway. It's actually a self-care giveaway. So if you haven't yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video. So let's get back to Rocksbox. I briefly explained what it is. So when you sign up, you fill out a little profile, let them know like your ring size and stuff like that, what jewelry you like, and a stylist will select 3 pieces for you. And once they do so, you have 24 hours to take a look at your items, and you have the ability to swap 1 or all 3 items so you really can customize this box exactly to your liking. Usually I swap items. Last month was the first time I didn't, and I really liked what my stylist picked out. So again, we're gonna see my stylist picks today. They have such great brands on their website. And I've discovered some new brands too, so I think it's great. Again, with that link down below, you will be able to browse, and they have like sorted jewelry through trends and stuff like that, so I think it's really great. One reason why I love Rocksbox is because there are trends, like jewelry like fads like come and go, and I kind of get sick of wearing the same jewelry pieces all the time, and jewelry can be expensive. So I feel like through this service you get to try a lot more jewelry at a much lower cost. They send it to you every month in this reusable bag, so it's free shipping both ways. There will be a prepaid envelope in here, so when you're ready to return your set, you can do so using this same bag. The jewelry always comes wrapped up in this cute box. Oh, I can hear Archer. Archer, what's wrong? I think he wants to go outside. So I am going out for margaritas in like an hour and a half or so, and I hope there's some jewelry I can wear out. I'm sure there will be. When I open this up, it says, "Hey, gorgeous." And on the inside, it shows you a little image of the pieces, and then it also tells you what happens next and gives pricing. So what happens next: rock your stylist picks, wear your pieces for as long as you'd like. If you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something? Purchase your faves with your monthly $21 membership credit. So I forgot to mention that. So you pay $21 a month, and if you decide to keep any items, that $21 goes towards your purchase. And then it says send back for more. Use a prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So yeah, it'll list the actual retail price of all the items and also give the member price, so you save some money, like I said earlier, if you're a Rocksbox member. And if you keep all 3 items, you save an additional $10. So let's get started. There's also a little card in here that gives you some care tips for your jewelry. And all the jewelry pieces come in individual jewelry bags. So let's start with the top one. This is by Dusk, I'm assuming, since it says it right there. Oh, I'm totally loving this style of earring lately. It's like smaller hoops with the little dangle. So these are the Dusk River Huggies in gold, and the retail price of these earrings is $60, but as a Rocksbox member, you pay only $51. So these are made with 14 karat gold, and they're silver plated and made with one-of-a-kind hand-set gemstones. So let's try them on. I think these are so cute. I really like these. I love that like blue gemstone. So cute. So let's move on to the next item. So it is in this Rocksbox bag, and we have a necklace. So it's in this bag. You probably can't even see it all, but this is by Estero, and it is their reed necklace, and this is a retail value of $65, but as a Rocksbox member, you can purchase this for $55. So it's like a layered necklace. There's some pearls, super pretty with this gold plate. And look, in the end up here, like not like anyone can really see it, but that's really cute. I feel like all of the Estero products have that. And this is one of those brands, along with Dust, that I've discovered through Rocksbox. Let's get this on. Wow, that was really easy. I got that on one try. Sometimes I struggle alone getting my jewelry on. Here, let's fix this a little. And this is what it looks like. I think this is super pretty. You guys have to let me know what you think. Now let's talk about our third piece of jewelry here. Ooh, and these are a set of earrings by Kendra Scott. Very popular jewelry brand, I would say. So these are the Kendra Scott Danielle hoops in rose gold, and these have a retail value of $58. And probably since these are such a popular set, there is not a discounted member price, so you would pay $58. So how about we try these on now? And then I wish you guys were watching this in real time. You could help me decide what I should wear out. Maybe I'll just put one in at a time right now and we can kind of decide. But please leave your thoughts down below. Even if you can't tell me about tonight, you can tell me what you like the best in general. Alright, so here's the Kendra Scott side and then the dusk earrings. I like both. You know, I've been thinking lately, I kind of want to get my ears double pierced. So then I could wear like little earrings and then like longer ones. I don't know, I just have really been wanting that. Like I've been watching a lot of YouTube lately and I've seen a lot of creators that have multiple piercings and I want that. I can't decide, but I'll just put the other Kendra Scott in one now so you guys can see how that looks. Yeah, please leave your thoughts down below on all of these jewelry pieces. Yeah, I like these. I like all three pieces that my stylist picked out for me. I think this is a great month. I'm so happy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And also, question, if you guys have gotten piercings recently, I haven't since I got my ears pierced, and I went to Claire's or something when I was 9. But where do you guys go? Do you go to tattoo shops to get piercings? Or I honestly don't know because I haven't gotten one in so long. Please let me know where you get your piercings done. And if you happen to be in Southwest Florida, like Naples, Fort Myers area, let me know where you go. Maybe they're open. I think most things are open here. Again, I'm going to get margaritas later, but don't worry, I will be safe, and they separate all the tables and stuff. I'm going to Tacos and Tequila. It's so good. So excited, but yeah, I will stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Remember, if you do want to try Rocksbox out for free, that link will be down below. With that link, it should be automatically applied. But yeah, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.